First stop. At the bathroom, I did not have to go. Beautiful.
Hitting y'all in the face like baseball.
Mike,
We didn't have a joint there out of
Mike
nowhere.
made it.
What's that? Oh, gang.
Ate it. Chilling in a hammock with the fam, eating enchiladas. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Your boy looked good. There's more to come. Lower battery on my phone. Screw it. But yeah.
All the way up. Open that bad boy all the way up. Now the shell, throw that right here. Throw that right here. Throw that right there. Throw it right there. Load it up with some guacamole, some salsa, some sour cream.
I got slippery fingers.
And get you a fork. You want some drink?
Come on. Dude, I haven't rode a bike in years. I'm on a bike looking for Michael and them. I can't find them, bro. Ooh, that lighting's pretty good to me. Well, I'm gonna let y'all know if I find them. Found them. Where was y'all at? Me and Michaela went over there. We did. I got proof. We chilling watching Night School.
Is that what
Traffic with the dogs. This looks good, isn't it?
Fuck, I forgot the remote. Fuck. Is this a Roku you said? Let me get the remote.
Dang, look at that. Cool. I'm gonna handle it. Day one was pretty cool. Two. Mike, how we do?
Man, Calvin was high as hell last night, eating up all the food.
I wouldn't sell that. These dudes try to kill me.
I forgot to record the breakfast. No, I didn't. It's me on that thing. Until then, I'll see you at Jiski's.
I could fly the kite. No, it's not. Just go get it, man. We found him. We found him. We found you. Huh? Huh? You ready? Let's go.
Michaela, what is that? Michaela, come here. Michaela, come here. Michaela. Kylie, come here. What is that? Oh, what is it? What is it? Michaela, come here. What is what? Michaela don't care. Look. I'm high.
Oh my.
Her flashlight didn't even work. Michaela, your flashlight.
Bro,
It's a cookie monster!
Ooh. Wait, Jory, Michael. Y'all get in this.
Michaela flashlight doesn't work. Michaela,
Jordan, get in there.
flashlight on.
Shut the fuck up.
Michaela, your flashlight on.
I got scared.
Turn it on.
Jordan, get in this. We look good.
Oh, I look good.
Get the light over here. What the fuck is this? Terrible lighting. Where the... There we go. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Let me help you. So put it right there. There we go. There we go. Like even just a little bit. The fuck? Uncle Mike, Jordan. Auntie. Okay, what's up? It's too dark. Jordan, Michael, give us some light, please. There's still nothing.
One dark night in the middle of the day, two dead boys went out to play. Back to back, they faced each other, drew a sword and shot each other.
I got a stick.
Well, just let me tell you, you're my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loves me till the end.
You gotta take these out for a walk. And this one's easy. It's crazy right now. Over here, holding these two crazy dogs. Sit down. Honey, easy. It's just Marley, the bad one.
Stop. Pulling me. Stop.
Jordan.
Stop.
Dang, I can't even show that, bro. Bro, she's crazy. We about to go in the woods with this. Well, she went to the bathroom. Honey. I guess we're going in the woods. Yep. We're going to the woods. What the heck? Ugh. Spiderwebs got my face. No. No, honey. Why would you? You don't split the pole? What's wrong? Oh. This survival documentary, we don't make it back. Cool, dog. We made it. Finally. Honey, come here.
Look at the mountain.
How's that shit?
It was out right there, man. It was out.
It had to be.
You get that one.
Which one?
Go on the stickers.
Right here, that's smeared?
Right there. You throw it away. Do something. Do something. Throw it away.
Oh, why is it all over the bag?
Bag in the bag.
Put the bag in the bag.
You're
You're stepping in it. You're stepping in it. You're stepping in it. You're stepping in it. Yeah. Cause I got high. Cause I got high. Got the Dr. Pepper. So you have it with yourself. What'd you just say?
Wanna say it's Happy New Year. Wanna set my resolutions, maybe break a few fears. Might just drop some music, hope it hit more than a few ears. We'll make it different. I had these goals for a few years, but January 1st make everything change. I'm supposed to get to work, drop all of that trays. Don't be riding in a hearse, make that pain fade away. Cause they say my talent's given, it's a shame to go to waste. Man, what a disgrace. I know success is not a race.